the moment has arrived. Your edit is finished and it's time to turn it into a real video file that you can share. Welcome back to day 26. Final Cut Pro for Beginners, a 30-day foundational video series. In under 3 minutes, we'll walk through the simple process of exporting your video. To start the export process, go to the top right corner and click the share icon, which looks like a box with an arrow coming out of it. From the menu that appears, choose Export File. This is the most common and flexible option. In the Info tab, you can change the title of your exported video. In the Settings tab, you can confirm the settings we learned about in the last video. Let's make sure it's set to computer, H2, 6, 4, and 1920x 1080. Once you're happy with the settings, click Next. A window will pop up asking you where you want to save the file. Choose a location, like your desktop, and click Save. The export will begin in the background. You can monitor its progress by clicking the background tasks icon in the top left. When it reaches 100%, your video is done and ready to watch. Congratulations on exporting your first video. If you find yourself using the same export settings over and over, you can save time by creating a custom preset. We'll learn how in the next video. Like and subscribe so you don't miss day 27.
𝗪𝗘𝗠𝗘𝗏